This is a tiny story, but huge information. December 2nd. Today's the 9th as I'm doing this evening. How did I miss this? Thank you, subscriber, for sending me this. This is remember the old rats jumping ship? Oh, there's a big rat that just jumped ship. Get ready for this. December 2nd, posted 11 a.m. CME Group Metals Director Harriet Hunnable to leave company. What? Hunnable to leave CME Group on December 11th. This Friday, huh? Joined company in 2011 from Macquarie. London is posting this story. Their executive director for metals products, Harriet Hunnable, will leave the company later this month, a CME spokesman said on Wednesday. Again, last Wednesday. Hunnable, wait till I get to the end of this. You're going to love this last piece. Hunnable, who has been with the futures market operator CME Group since early 2011, was responsible for developing the company's precious metals portfolio. The group's U.S. gold futures contracts are the most liquid in the world. Quote, she resigned, and she leaves on December 11th, the spokesman said, declining to give further details. Hunnable was not immediately available to comment. So she came in on early 2011. What happened in early 2011? Oh, the gold and silver market absolutely exploded, and then they crushed it and held its head underwater for the last several years. Right when she came on. Huh. Interesting person, isn't she? Hunnable joined the CME from Macquarie Bank. Here it comes. Having previously worked for UBS, Merrill Lynch, and N.M. Rothschild. She was tipped in 2013 as a potential candidate for the role and head of the London Metal Exchange, or the LME, the world's biggest marketplace for aluminum, copper, lead, zinc, tin, and nickel. At the time, she downplayed her interest in the post, saying she was, quote, enjoying a role at CME Group. Hunnable's time at CME has coincided with a period of flux for the London precious metals market. CME, in association with Thomson Reuters, took over last year as operator of the London benchmark silver price after a regulatory drive for transparency brought the 117-year-old silver fix, which it replaced, to an end. The precious metals markets are likely to see further changes next year. Where did that come from? Why? The LBMA said last month that a number of exchanges, brokers, and data vendors had expressed an interest in providing clearing or reporting services to make the gold market more liquid and transparent. That's it. That's a little tiny blip. Didn't hear no big story posted anywhere. All the sites I visit, didn't hear a peep out of this. I don't know how they missed it. But it's thanks to one of my subscribers who sent it to me. Head of the precious metals or metals division of COMEX was hired when the most epic rise in gold and silver ever occurs, and then crashes, and they hold your head underwater, so to speak, with the prices for all these years. And just as the Webbot is saying, get ready for another 408 plus Bitcoin move, and if we see it later on, which is now later on, it's happened, we should expect precious metals to rise significantly. Focus on silver, it said. Watch silver. It's going to do a number that says, oh my God, what just happened today? That kind of a move. Or maybe a span of a week or two. I don't know. Just, oh my God, what's happening with silver? The price is going up. It was totally unexpected. What the hell's going on here? That's what the Webbot said is going to happen. As I just did the video that you saw today, which actually is going to be yesterday when you see this video in the morning, so the 9th, December 9th, 2015 morning video I did on how uh, Turd Ferguson, whatever, TF Metals, was saying since 1974, since the comics started, they haven't really been a bullish time for gold as far as the COT reports and whatnot. And that just changed as of last Tuesday, all of a sudden. Now it looks like the speculators, the club, are going to start pushing into the long positions. Instead of being net short, they're going to be net long. From the looks of things, is what he said. So you take that into consideration, Webbot into consideration, the very terribly low numbers of gold, especially for that is deliverable according to the COMEX. They don't have enough to put out what's standing for delivery right now. Now we might find, all the massive amount of deliveries expected. Nope, they sold for cash. So now all of a sudden they've just been tapped out. They're gone. That's usually what happens. But even so, December is still usually a good delivery month. I was just reading today that someone wanted um, 3 tons worth of gold or something like that off the COMEX and is standing for delivery. And we're talking about how you have first day notice and last day notice, and after last day notice, who's standing for delivery? That's what they're looking at in this particular person or entity, whatever it is what they're talking about, saying no, I want the gold, the physical. So you mean to tell me that just a few days ago, a very notable person from the CME Group was responsible for developing the company's precious metals portfolio, and abruptly I'm leaving. I'll be out on 11th. That fast? What's going on? What's her name again? Harriet Hunnable? What's her name? Harriet. What's going on? You get a better job offer somewhere else? Previously worked for UBS, Merrill Lynch, and I was waiting for it to say like JP Morgan Chase. Oh, that would have fit the bill. And then I see NM Rothschild. Oh my God! Oh my God! You're kidding me. You're kidding me. The top of the pyramid. Wow. This is telling, in my opinion. I had someone email me yesterday today from my video I did. I saw your Webbot stuff, and matter of fact, I think I got it saved. Let me just read it to you. Find this real quick. It's right here. Okay. Oops. JSnip4, Mr. David. I have been watching for a while, but never written. I thought you were nuts with your Webbot, but I listened while being very skeptical. I just checked zero hedged as of 12/8/15, 17:30 Mountain Time, which is 5:30 Mountain Time, for those of you that don't know military time. And I will be damned. Bitcoin is at 413. It is a couple weeks late, but close enough for me even. I am buying silver now. David, I got a sneaky suspicion you will be happy that you did in the very near future. However, disclaimer, if the club wants to smash silver or gold, they can do it. If they want to give it one last hurrah before the big spike, they can do it. But I don't dare sell even 1 ounce of silver right now to see, wonder if they'll knock it down. I'll go buy some more. No, not going to sell off now in hopes that the price goes down. Absolutely not. All you do is, oh my God, they did smash it. Honey, get the credit card out real quick. Boop, make a little extra purchase. That's how you should play that one. Otherwise, the only other choice is now it's at the low, and it's going to go up from here. And I just checked Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball says most likely. Magic 8 Ball. Magic 8 Ball says most likely. You can forget Webbot. You can forget Psychics. You can forget the Elite. If Magic 8 Ball says so, you know it's so. I mean, it might as well be. Everything else we get from the government and statistics and banking and all these numbers, it's all lies anyway. It's fake. I might, we're gonna pass a budget this year. Well, it is certain. Oh my gosh, you might as well flip a coin, when it comes to politics. But this is big news. This is big news. Nothing happens like this by chance. She was put in that position to do her job, and now the job is over. I got to go elsewhere, right? That's what she's saying. Now I got to go elsewhere. So if the job is over, and from the time she started, Meadows manipulation out of control, worse than we've ever seen, ever. And now she leaves during a time frame we're all waiting. Hey, there should be a big jump in silver and precious metals coming soon. And then, oh, she's retired. She's resigning. She's resigning out of nowhere. Huh. What a coincidence. Nothing happens by chance. Take care.